I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your number from Koodo to Telus, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Visit the Telus website. Go to the Telus website or visit a Telus store. If you're online, navigate to the section for new customers and look for the option to bring your own number. Step 3. Start the porting process. Follow the prompts to initiate the number porting process. You'll be asked to provide your Koodo account information and confirm that you want to keep your current number. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email or text from Telus. This may take a few hours, so be patient. If you don't receive anything, double-check your information. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation, insert your Telus SIM card and test your new service. Make a call or send a text to ensure everything is working. If you encounter issues, contact Telus customer support. Switching providers can be tricky, but following these steps should help you port your number without a hitch. Good luck with your new service.